Napakamingaw. Mingaw. Nabil wants to play. Nabil, he wants to play. Hi guys. Ang tagal ko rin hindi nakapag-vlog guys. Inaaliw namin yung bata. Batuta. Inaaliw namin kasi ano siya eh, nababagot siya. Gusto niya ring ano, kasi yung magulang nasa ibang lugar. Kaya gusto niyang mag-ano. Haya, Bulbul. Enough that one. Come. Go to the another play. Haya, come. Give it to me. Later on this one. Yala, come. You can play there. Okay. Yala, go. Very good. Inshallah. Okay. Yala, go stand na. Go up. By yourself. No need to help Mariby. No need to help Mariby. Very good. Oops. Oops. Yala, go up again. Go up again. Yala, go. Yala, go. Okay, I will hold. I'm gonna hold. Yala, go. Okay. Very good. Oops. You can ride. What is that? The motorcycle. Mayroon siyang angkas gayo. Mayroon siyang angkas na babae. Be careful ha. Be careful. Pabayaan ko siya. Be careful. I told you. Yala, go down. Yala, go. Okay. Hi. Hello. Yala, go. Yala. Yala, go. This is Sparky's. Napaka ano guys, come over here. Hina, bibi. Hina. Bulbul. Hina. Sparky's ito siya. Napaka walang katao-tao. Lonis eh. Yan na, come. Lunis. Ganito pag Lunis. Maraming tao lang pag yung Friday. You want to ride?
Stop.
Mm. No, 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 no. Nabilo, nabilo. Walang katao-tao. Humina talaga ito dito. Kasi napakainit kasi. Mainit. Napakainit. Hindi siya malamig. Katulad ngayon, napakainit ang panahon ngayon. Ang mga tao kailangan ng malamig na area. Tatit, tatit. Bol. Where you going? Come over here again. Nabil, and then you will stuck, huh? And then you will stuck because here. May mga taong kumakain pero nagasyagaan mo malaki. Oops. Hina. Nabil, oh.